Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix CapCut templates not showing on TikTok. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you tried all the method in different ways, you can try to contact the TikTok support team. To do this, we can to click on your account to open your account page. So hit the profile icon in the right bottom corner. Now we are on this page. After that, choose more in the right top corner. Click on these three lines basically, and then just go to settings and privacy right up here. So after that, scroll down to find reported problem. Click on it, and then in the topics area, choose the suitable one. Click on the video and sounds. So after that, we need to click on video shooting here, and then just choose the other. So after that, we can see the type. We can click on new and click on need more help right up there. So basically this page will be like cleared because here the other way we want it to fix. So I will just delete this message. On this page we need to write something like this: hi, I need to fix CapCut templates not showing, help me please. So after that we need to click on submit, and in a few hours or maybe 1 or 2 days the TikTok support team will help us to fix this problem. They will fix it by themselves or they will just send us the instruction. We need to follow the fix problem from our side, but basically this is the easiest way how we can fix this problem. You can also watch some other videos about it on YouTube, but this is the strongest way which can help us a lot. So this is the way how you can fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.